Hello and welcome to my channel. This today's video is going to be about MAC spoofing or changing the MAC address of your PC. So first of all, why you need this? Suppose you are connected to a network and someone blocks your MAC ID. For example, here I am connected to my network, that is my mobile hotspot, and let me show you in my mobile screen. So as soon as I block my laptop from the mobile, here you can see my laptop isn't able to connect to the internet, or it cannot access the internet. That means it is blocked. So how can I unblock it? Today we are going to learn about this. So firstly, you will need an application. So go to any browser and search technitium.com and hit enter. From here you can click on download and you can directly download it. After downloading it, just extract this zip file and install the application. So here my application has been installed and I'm going to open it. So from here you can see, or you can select which adapters address is to be changed. For example, this is my Wi-Fi adapters address to be changed. I can click on change on random address. It will generate a random address for my adapter, or you can also insert custom address, anything like this. You can also change it. So I'm gonna click on change. So I click on random MAC address and I have changed this. So firstly I will show you that my current address is, so this is my current address. So I'm going to change it. Click on random address and then change now. After this my internet will restart. As soon as it restarts and connects, here you can see my address has been changed. So by this way you can bypass the filtering, or you can also say as MAC spoofing. And if you want to put any custom MAC, then you can also do it from here. So I will show you by doing, sorry, I have to select this Wi-Fi options first and then put any address I want. For example, so like this, I missed something. Okay, so I click on change now. I have put 5623BA and A6 at last. Now let us go and see. So here you can see our address has been changed, and here I can also connect to this network. Here, even though I was blocked, I can connect to this internet network. And if you want to restore your original MAC address, here you can click on restore original and your original address will be restored.